Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is Asmi Tales. So I know I haven't uploaded since a long time, but today we will be making a video on going to the second largest mall in Canada, which I'm so excited about. And not just going to the mall, but we will be trying different fruits from the continent Asia. Some countries maybe like China, Taiwan, Japan, Korea, and etc. I'm super excited because these are some of the countries that I have almost never tried different fruits from. So I'm super excited. Let's start this video. Okay guys, so right now we're waiting for the bus to come here because since it's the weekend, the frequency of the buses are pretty low here. So I'm gonna have to wait for a really long time. So I hope the bus comes pretty soon because I'm pretty hungry. So see you at the mall. So guys, we are here at the Square Mall and I'm super excited. This is actually also the second largest mall in Canada, so I'm really excited to explore it and try different fruits. By the way, behind me you can see there's this water fountain type thing which has lights at night and it's creating this type of music with water and it's so cool. Okay guys, so the first stop, we are at the Yam tea shop where we're gonna get the bubble tea, and we're also at the mango-like dessert where we're gonna get some desserts which are all mango-based. So yeah, let's go inside. Okay guys, so we got the marble tea small boba. I'm super excited because I've never tried this one before, so let's do it. So they give the straw and then you take the pointed part and... Okay, let's try that again. Really good. It tastes not just sweet, it tastes like coffee, sweet boba, and milk. It tastes really good. I've never tried that before. It's unique. Okay guys, so now we're going to be trying the sushi called California Veggie Roll. There's also a non-vegetarian one which is called the California Roll, so let's open it. So there's a bunch of vegetables in there like carrots, cucumber, red pepper, and also seaweed. I'm gonna try this with chopsticks because I've never tried anything with chopsticks before, so I'm gonna try my best. Okay, so let's try to pick it up with the chopsticks. Guys, if I'm wrong, then please correct me because I've never used chopsticks before. So at the start when I took the first bite, it tasted weird, but when I kept on eating it, it tasted better and better. So I would totally prefer for you guys to give it a try. Okay guys, so now we're going to be trying the cream bun custard roll, which I'm so excited to try because last time I tried the cream bun roll, which was the normal one, but today we're going to try the custard one, which probably might be a little bit more different, and next time we'll try a different one if you guys want. So I'm super excited. Let's open it. So it's just like this type of bread outside and then there's filling inside. So last time there was filling like only in the middle, and now I think it's like all over. Like, oh my gosh, there's so much custard. Last time it was only in the middle and now it's like everywhere. It's like so yummy. Like, I would totally prefer it. I don't remember the name of the store, but next time I go there I'll definitely tell you guys the store name. Okay guys, so when I was eating the sushi, what happened was my tooth suddenly started hurting. So we investigated my tooth, and what happened was that my tooth was moving, like it was about to fall, it was loose. So that was the reason we actually stopped filming and we just ate the custard cream bun and we stopped filming. We actually also had some other things in mind to try, but those got canceled because of my tooth, and I forgot to end the video. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye!